Hello students, welcome again. In this session, I am going to discuss about exercise 8.2 fourth main. Okay. So the heading of the fourth main is very simple, find. Okay, the heading of the fourth main is very simple, it's find. So first question, 15% of 250. First question is 15% of 250. What it says, 250 rupees or rupees, or you can marks, whatever you can say, out of 250, 15% ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Suppose I will take the example of 250 bricks. Suppose there are 250 bricks, okay, piled up at one place. Out of these 250 bricks, if you need to give 15% as a traveling charge for some person, or if you want to sell 15%, how much bricks you are going to 15%, then what you need to do, you need to divide the whole bricks, 250 bricks, into 100 groups. Into how many groups? Into 100 groups. And out of this 100 groups, in each group it may come 2 bricks, 3 bricks, 2.5, 3.5, we don't know about that. But out of that 100 groups, if you give 15 groups away, then it is known as 15%. 250 ಒಳಗೆ 100 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 15 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದು 15%. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, 250 ಒಳಗೆ 100 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, 100 ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಕಮ್ 2, 2.5, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. Out of that 100 parts, 15 parts represent 15% of 250. And how to solve this? Very simple. 15% means what? One second, right? 15%, you can write 15% as a 15 by 100. Am I right? Both are interchangeable. 15% can be written as a 15 by 100. 15 by 100 can be written as a 15%. Always remember, off can be taken as a into. Off can be taken as a into 250. 250 means what? It is naturally having the denominator 1. So in front of you, it's a very simple question. That is a multiplication of two fractions. Multiplication of two fractions you learned in the previous classes. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. No, you should not try to equate the denominator. Equating of denominators only happens in case of addition of fraction and subtraction of fraction. Don't try to equate the denominators. In multiplication, direct multiplication. Okay, 15 into 250 divided by 100 into 1, right? And you can cancel any denominator zeros with any numerator zeros. The condition is that multiplication must be there in between them. So 0 0 will 1 0. Hardly you can cancel 1 0 1 0 here. Okay, so next 15 into 25. You can go further, 5, 10 into 1, 10. Instead of multiplying then cancellation, always choose cancellation first. If you have two options, multiplication as well as cancellation, always do cancellation first, because it will minimize the numbers. Okay, from 5 I can cancel both. I will choose 15. 5 1s are 5, sorry, 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So what remains? In place of 15, 3, here 25, place of 10, 2 will come. 25 3s are 75 by 2. 75 by 2 means how much? You cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 remains 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 remains 0.10 I 2, 2 5s are 10. So it is going to be 37.5%. 37.5%. Okay. ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, 75 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 remains 5 15 ಆಗ 2 15 ಇಲ್ಲ, 2 7s are 14 ಅದ, 1 ಉಳಿತು, 1 2ಗಿಂತ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 10 ಆಯಿತು, 2 5s are 10, ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0 0, 37.5 37.5. Right. So second question, 1% of 1 hour, B, 1% of 1 hour. Solution, you can use 1, okay. It is also very simple, or if you want to simplify the question, you can convert that 1 hour into 60 minutes. There is no condition that you should always convert hour into minutes, but it is advisable to convert hour into minutes. So 1% of 1 hour, 1% means what? 1 by 100. Of means into 1 hour means how much? 60 minutes. 60 minutes. 60 means what? 60 by 1. Numerator into numerator, 1 into 60. 100 into 1. But the now unit is in minutes, not in hours, because I converted. 1 into 60 will give you 60. 100 into 1 will give you 100. Last 0 will cancel. So 60 by 100 minute. So last 0 will cancel. What remains? 60 by 10 remains. So 6 by 10 remains. Okay. 6 by 10 minute remains. 6 by 10 means how much? Any number divided by 10. Decimal number will move one number left side. Here is decimal number, it will move to the left side because it is division. Multiplication is the right side. Okay. So it will become 0.6 minute. 0.6 minute. Okay. Slightly more than half minute. So 1% of 1 hour is going to be 0.6 minute, even not 1 minute also. 1 ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಧ ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So similarly, third one I will solve. Third one you can try. It is very simple. C1 20% of 2500. D1 I am going to solve, that is 75% of 1 kg. Oh, 75% of 1 kg. So solution, 75% means 75 by 100. Okay, 75% means 75 by 100. Of means into 1 kg, you can write it in a gram. 1 kg means 1000 gram. 1000 means what? 1000 by 1. Naturally, every number has a denominator 1. So numerator into numerator, 75 into 1000. 100 into 1, 100, and this gram as usual. So 20 will cancel. What remains? 75 into 10 divided by 1 gram. 75 into 10 is going to be 750 and 1. Even if you write 1 or even if you leave it, will not change the value. So 750 gram. 750 gram. So 75% of 1 kg is 750 gram, which is a less than 1 kg and more than half kg. 750 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ 500 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಕೆ ಜಿ, 1000 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 kg. ಸೊ 750 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಹಾಫ್ kg, ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 1 kg. ಸೊ 75% of 1 kg is 750 gram. Likewise, you can try for a question number C, that is 20% of 2000 rupees 2500. Okay, calculate it, try it in your home, and you can confirm your answers by looking at the textbook answers. Next, I will start fifth main, that is find the whole quantity if. Find the whole quantity if. The heading of the fifth main is a find the whole quantity if. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದರ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಂಡು, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ 100 rupees to your hand and if I ask you what is 50% of 100 rupees, you can easily tell 50 is the 50% of 100. Now in reverse, the exact reverse of fourth main is the fifth main. Now I am telling the 50% is 50, then what is 100%? Okay, 50% ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋದು 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಮುಂಚೆ? ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕೀಗ. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಮೇನ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಫ್. Five percent of it is 600. Look, 5% of it is 600. We don't know what is that number, but other 5% is 600 ada. Okay, suppose there are 100 parts. ಈ ಥರ 100 parts ಅದ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ 5 parts ಈ ಥರ 100 ಅದಾವೆ. ಎಷ್ಟದ? 100 parts ಅದಾವೆ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ 5 parts is a 600 rupees or 600. Then what is the whole 100? ಪೂರ 100 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 100 parts ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಓಕೆ, 5% of it is 600. So you can easily see the difference between 4th and 15th. ನೋಡಿ, 70% ಆಫ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನಾಗ 5% ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ವರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಆಫ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಥರ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ 5% ಆಫ್. 5% ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. 5% ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 5/100. ಆಫ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ into it. Take it as any letter, x, y. ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, x, y ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಎರಡೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಾ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ or b I will take ಏನೋ 0 ಟೈಪ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. I will take a y. Okay, 5% of it I will take it as a letter y. Is means what? Equal. Is means equal 600. 5% one number of the 600 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು y. ಸೊ yನ ನೀವು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. LHS RHS ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್? y. ಆ yನ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಥರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, 500 into y. Y means what? Y by 1, right? Y by 1. So 5 into y. So 5y. 100 into 1. 100 is equal to 600. 600. Next step. ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore 5y divided by 100 will become into 100. 600 into 100. Therefore 600 into 100. 6 ones are 6. 1 2 3 4. 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. Very simple, right? Therefore y is equal to 5 into y ಅದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore 6 divided by 5. So cancellation ಮಾಡಿ. 5 ones are 5. Here 5 ones are 5. 1 remains 10 9. 5 twos are 10. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. Therefore y is equal to 12,000. So what is that number? 5% of 12,000 is 600. 12,000 ಒಳಗೆ 5% 600 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು? 12,000. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. B 12% of it is rupees 1080. You can leave units in calculation procedure because it will interrupt in the procedure. Therefore units ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕೈ ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 12% means 12 by 100. Off means into, it means y or y by 1 you can say. Is means equal. Rupees 1080 ada, I will just take the number in the calculation, 1080. Same procedure, 12 into y is 12y. 100 into 1 is 100. Equal to 1080. Divided by 100, it will become multiplication. 12y is equal to 1080 into 100. Therefore 12y is equal to 1080. 108 into 1 is 108. 1 2 3 last zeros only you have to count. 108 into 1 is 108. 1 2 3 3 zeros, right? Therefore next step, y is equal to 108,000 divided by 12 into it divided. You cancel ಮಾಡಿ 12 into. I think in 12 table 4 ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 12 9s are 108 is there direct. 12 1s are 12. 12 9s are 108 directly. right? 12 ones are 12, 12 nines are 108, 12 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0. Therefore y equal to 9000, but unit rupees alla. So 12% of 9000 rupees is 1080. 9000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಒಳಗೆ 12% ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1080 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So last one more. Last D problem I am going to solve. Remaining C and E you can try in your home. Last D problem. Seventy percent of it is 14 minutes. It is 14 minutes. Very simple, similar procedure. 70% means 7500. Off means into. It means y or y by 1. Is means equal 14 minutes. I am going to take 14 only. At the end I am going to write the unit. So simple equation is called LHS, RHS, equality sign. One variable is there, so it is a simple equation. So 70 into y is nothing but a 70y. 100 into 1 is 100. Okay, equal to 14. So divide by 100 will become 70y is equal to 14 into 100 into 100. Therefore 70y is equal to 14 into 1 is 14, 1 2, last 2 zeros. Therefore y is equal to into is divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1400 ఇక్కడ ಬಂದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 70 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ zeros ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. So 7 over table ಒಳಗೆ 14 ಅದ. 7 1 is 7, 5 2 is 14, 7 0 0, 20 minute. So likewise you calculate remaining two problems. In our next session I am going to deal with the 6th main and 7th main. Okay, see you all of you once again in a next video. Thank you and all. Have a nice day. Bye.